Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to do a quick tutorial using some Scrap Diva design dies and my Happy Crafter Shop beads. So basically this is the Doily Handbag from purse from Scrap Diva. I have it listed down below. It is so cute, guys, and I love that a lot of her pieces have this, and so they'll go really well together. So I put this purse together, and it has these little holes where you can put your own handle, and ideally you can probably put like some string and tie a knot underneath, but I wanted to do a beaded handle like I did with another one of her dies. Let me grab it. This here is this is the one that I'm talking about, how these go so well together. So this is her heart doily set, and it comes with a couple nested dies as well as the layering pieces. And so I created this really cute beaded handle on this purse. I'll link this video down below along with a playlist for my Scrap Diva designs videos and projects in case you guys are looking for inspiration. I'll link my Maggie Holmes playlist in case you guys are looking for inspiration. And then also my Happy Crafter Shop design team playlist I'll link below for, if you guys have been grabbing these goodies. I know a lot of you guys have. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to create this beaded handle using these items. So you're going to need some wire. I've been using this Hobby Lobby one, and I'm so proud of myself because, guys, I have so many different supplies and stuff, so I'm really happy to be using up a lot of my stuff. This is the 18 gauge wire from Hobby Lobby. It was during the Christmas time. It was half off of $2.99, so it was like $1.50 or something like that. But you guys can use whatever wire that you want. So I went ahead and I cut a piece that's like 7 inches, 7 1/4, 7 1/2, something like that. And I just eyeballed it. I just measured it for you guys in case you guys want to know for reference. And so with this purse die, it comes with, when you build it, it has these holes already built in it. Like I said, for you to string your own handle or whatever, but we're going to do a beaded one. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take my wire and I'm going to go ahead and stick it through here. And I'm going to go ahead and start. Let me grab my needle nose pliers. And I'm just going to go ahead and start rolling this as if we were finishing off one of our little dangles or whatever, our project. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to keep rolling it on itself just so that I can get... I should have did it on the smallest. I'll do that at the end. So just so that I can get it through there, like so. And it's not going to go anywhere. I think that's good. Let me give it one more roll for good luck. Let's do one more. There we go. I'm going to clamp that. And then I'm going to go ahead and start beading. Okay. So I will mention and show you guys the beads that I'm using. I'm using some from my stash. I'm using some daisy spacers. You guys know I love using these. I'll link down below my beading projects as well in case you guys are looking for inspiration on what to do with your beads. So I'm starting off with a little gold, and it's nice to use a variety of sizes. And I'm going to start off with this gold one. And then I'm going to go on with a daisy. So I like to use a variety of not only sizes, but different kind of beads. So I don't like to put all solid color beads. I'll show you what I mean. So we have that solid gold. We have a daisy spacer. We're going to go ahead and add these beautiful rose beads from Happy Crafter Shop. Let me stick it on here and I'll show you guys what they look like in the bag. Comes in a pack of 40. And guys, you can use my code. It's called Frosted Rose Beads, 40 piece. You can use my code Poochie10 at scrapdivadesigns.com as well as happycraftershop.com. And you guys can save 10% off your entire purchase. I'm going with a daisy spacer. So just play with your beads in your stash. That's exactly what I did. I'm trying to use colors that go well with this project, this collection. Okay, so there goes that one. So you see a variety of sizes. And then, you know, I have to add my little gold accent. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this bead next. But I want to put some flower caps. Some leaf caps. That one is a leaf cap. So use your bead caps. All right, let me add another one of the leaf caps. Okay. And then I'm going to add one of these little flower ones. This purple one goes perfect with this collection. And those are from Happy Crafter Shop as well. The small bead, flower beads, 50. So this is what I mean about mixing. You see we have some frosted beads. I have like some like full crystal ones. This iridescent one. And then some solid. So it looks really good when you mix all your beads together. Next, I'm going to go in with a tiny, again, mixing my sizes. So that's what it's starting to look like. Really pretty. Goes really well with the project. All right, now I'm getting towards the middle. My middle piece, I like for my stuff to be symmetrical. So I kind of pre-did this. And then I'm showing you guys my order. It kind of takes me a while. This is going to be my middle one. I'm going to use a purple flower, the rose one, for the middle. And then I'm going to continue to repeat. It's basically the same thing on this side. I'm going to do the same thing I did on this side, Okay. So next we have this one here, a little tiny one. Mixing our sizes and our kinds of beads. It just looks so pretty together, guys. All right. And then next we have this purple flower. And I love the way Happy Crafter Shop's little goodies. She's got so many different colors. So you guys can use them with whatever collection. All right, next we have this pink bead with two of the leaf caps. Okay, so I'm just trying to keep that pattern going. Because I like my stuff to be like symmetrical. I feel like I'm missing that gold one. I forgot to add my little gold ones. Let's see how it looks without it. Okay, so I'm just following that pattern. Okay, next we have this one here. Hope you guys can see well. You can always put extra wire. I would definitely do extra wire just in case, because it's better for it to be longer. You can clip it shorter than it is to be short, and you have to start all over and cut a new piece that's longer, okay? We got our little daisy spacer, and then we're going to put our rose, the yellow one. These are so pretty, you guys. I had to use these. It goes well with the flowers. Yellow. Okay, another daisy spacer. And then we're going to finish it off with that gold bead. Yeah, I definitely forgot two beads, but that's okay because look, this is getting short on me. You definitely need enough space at the end to roll your ends, okay? So let me go ahead and put my little gold balls in my last bead. So that worked out, okay? And make sure that you got a nice size handle to your liking. I think that'll be fine. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and feed this through my hole. Like so. And I'm going to keep on twisting this end until it's nice and tight. Okay, so we're going to grab our pliers and just keep on twisting, twisting, twisting. I'm going to keep on going because I want this to be right in the middle. Yes, just like that. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. Look at how adorable that is. All right, so let me get it nice and tight. Let me secure this. And you can, this piece, this die set comes with all these layering pieces. You can definitely line the inside of your box. And so look at how cute this is. Let me move this out the way really quick. And then I want to see if one of my little my little, what do you call it? My little bows that I had made. I have to put a closure on here still. But this little purse is so adorable. It goes so well with all the other pieces that we have. And then look at this, guys. Look at the little roses. And you can actually like glue a little diamond dot on the middle of this flower or something. Or a little gem. And let me see. I got some pre-made bows laying around. You guys know I love me some bows. Let me see. I mean, that one would do. I think that one will go actually really nicely. But I just wanted to show you guys really quickly a short and sweet tutorial on how you can create a beaded handle for this die or for any project really. All right, I'm just grabbing all my little bows to see what color I would want to put on here. I think that one might go a little better. I'm just trying to utilize my dies for my design team project. All right, what about this one? I feel like I should do like a purple one. I think that I like this one best. And this little cabochon is from Happy Crafter Shop as well, guys. Again, I'm going to leave those playlists down below. There's tons of video of inspiration there. Hopefully it'll inspire you guys. And I love to use her little cabochons to put in the center of bows. So isn't that so pretty? I feel like it needs like a little tassel or something. But how adorable is this little purse? And again, I got to put like a little closure. But again, I wanted to share with you guys how quick and easy you can create a little beaded handle for this little die set. All right, I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys in the next video.